Hello guys, welcome to IT networking. Local C drive access denied. So first step is check a permission. Open File Explorer. Click to this PC. This is C drive. So firstly open back and right click to show more. Click to properties, security, edit, and all user select allow full access. That is your local user. Okay, and this one also all, and then apply. Yes, continue. Then next check group policy. So Windows R, otherwise you can click to search and type run, then type gpedit.msc. Then computer configurations, this Windows setting, then security and setting, then local policy, security option. Then guys, find out user account control, run all administrator, this one, and double click to enable. If you have disabled, so check enable and apply. Okay, and close. Next method, check for disk error. So click start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Apply. Okay. Then type chk dsk and slash c column and then slash f. So this is scan your system fully, so wait few seconds. Fully scan your system and finally show the result what your disk health. Then next, scan malwares from your system. So if you're using the antivirus, so simple double open File Explorer and C drive to right click and scan like this. Scan with your antivirus. If you antivirus is not using, open the Windows security. You can search from search box Windows security. Then click to virus and threat protections, scan options, and scroll down. Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scanner. This is minimum take to 15 minutes and fully scan your systems. Okay, so click to start now. So guys, then click to scan and then X, yes, to click given access. So automatically start for the scanning.